Hello everybody, today I'm gonna refresh my SHOEI helmet. I have new pads here, made in Japan. None of that Chinese crapola stuff. And I will also update the audio. I have these 45mm Cardo by JBL speakers. And I highly recommend this for the helmet if you're gonna be working on the helmet. This makes life so much easier. Just put the helmet like that upside down and you can work on it like a normal human being, versus if you just have the helmet on a flat surface and it's fighting you all over the place. Bruh. As you can see, this helmet, it really needs it. It's kind of coming apart, all the foam stuff here and this fake leather, whatever it is. And also the speakers, they're beat. You see the foam, it's tearing off as well on the speakers. Okay, let's open up everything, see what we got. This is the size here. You can get different sizes. The bigger the size number, the more pad material you will have, and that can make the helmet more of a snug fit. So basically you can customize the helmet how you want it by the shape of your head. So I went up a little bit of a size. I don't remember how much because I got these a while ago. Okay, so this piece is that inner one. These are the sides. Oh yeah. This red part too. What a difference. Let's see what we got here for speakers. That's cool, they give you spares. I wonder if the original ones had spares in them. No spare foam thingies, but that's fine. Even if they did give me spares, I wanted to upgrade to these for better sound. Okay, let's take off this wind deflector thingy, fugivity, whatever you want to call it. And also, make sure the helmet is clean so you don't scratch it here. Maybe you can take something like this and put it like that. This way you're more secure. Okay, and since I'm not gonna be replacing the straps here and these, I could clean those. I'm gonna hit them with this. Helmet Care Active Foam by Motorex. Just a little bit, you know, take out all the big stuff. Let that settle in a little bit while I work on it. Okay, while that's working, I'm gonna take out these cheek pads. Just pop them out. Now I can take out this bottom piece off here, unclip it back here, and then you pull it out. Okay, so this is a size 9 and I'm going to 13. Let's see how that works out. Okay, now I'm gonna take out the speakers. Yeah, you can see the new ones are a little bit bigger. They're 45mm. Let's take out this side and plug it. Okay, that foam stuff, it looks like it worked its way in there. Oh yeah, look at that. I think I'm gonna hit it a little bit more. And then I'm gonna clean the inside a little bit. It's got like dust and stuff. Probably my sneezing in here. Every time I go upshoo, upshoo. Oh, over here I should clean it too. Look at that. With some alcohol, I'm gonna clean the pockets for the speakers so I can stick on the new sticky thing. Pro tip, I only have a little hole over here so it doesn't come out like crazy. Oh yeah. So check this out. This helmet is 2017. See right there. So really, this helmet is like, man, 8 years old. But I bought it in 2020. Yeah, I'm gonna use a little bit more and eventually I'll get a newer one. Isn't it amazing how it stays like right there with this thingy I'm using? Of course, I'm gonna have all the links in the description box of the video so you guys can find this stuff. Okay, here comes the sticky stuff. I'm gonna put it so these edges of the sticky thing are gonna go into these pockets. There's one here, and then another one here and here. Man, that thing is strong, that glue. Whoa, that's on there good. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, so the way I had it, it was like this. And then the wire ran up across to the other side. So I'm gonna put this new pad on. These, they just clip in the front over there. And the wire is just gonna be behind it like that. Yeah, so there is an issue here, guys. This new one, for some reason, these teeth-like things on the old one, they're more apart together. On this new one, they're more like spaced closer and more of them. So they end up hitting on spots where they're not supposed to. So I will try to trim those spots and hopefully make it work.
Guess what, motherfucker?
Alright, so I don't think that's gonna work, guys. So this is not good to me for now, or forever, actually. So I will put this on for now just to finish up with this video, and I will revisit later. However, though, these back tabs, those are correct. They clip in, no problem. Okay, and this connector, I'm gonna try to keep it back here. Yeah, see, this one is like perfect. Also, this one, it doesn't have these vents. This new one, it doesn't have that. I just hate it when things don't go smooth, you know? It's like you plan for something and then it doesn't work out, but shit happens. It's part of life, you know? Whatever. And if it really pisses me off, I'll just get a new helmet. What the heck, man? Okay, so that connector, I'm gonna leave it back there. Clip these on. And that foam stuff, I kind of cleaned this up. Not perfect, but it's a little bit better than before. Let's see at least if these cheek pads are gonna fit. If these don't fit either, I'm just gonna have to resign. This tab thing is gonna clip in that white one right there. And then you got another clip thing that goes there. So start from the back. And then we have 3 clips in the back of the cheek pad. Let's see if those are gonna work out. Okay, at least the cheek pad fits. Okay, now for this side where the Cardo is, I have these wires here. And on the old one, I notched it out to clear the wires. But still, you can see they got kind of pinched. So I'm gonna notch this new one as well around here. This doesn't even cut a dead man's balls, man. I should throw that out. It's like, you see that? Perfect. And the sucky thing is I can't return that foam thing that doesn't fit because, first of all, I damaged it now. But I got it months ago and I never had the chance to put it on. So I'm kind of stuck with it. Alright, broskis, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, those cheek pads feel nice. Okay, let's play some music.
I look real good today, jumping out the motherfucking Bentley. I look real good today. I look real good today.
Okay, at least the speaker thing and the cheek pads are a success. Those came out good. I'm liking this upgrade I did. It has a better sound to it, more clear, and actually has a nice bass to it. Like you can hear a little oomph, oomph. So I'm happy with that. With this, you know, shit happens. Like I said, I'm not gonna go too crazy. This helmet is getting old. I might just keep this helmet like to go to work and stuff. This can be my stinky helmet. And then I can get a new helmet to be like a sexy motherfucker on the road, you know? Bruh. Alright, broskis, I'm updating the software too from the Cardo since I'm at it. So I just connected the wire that came with it and pretty easy to do. So it's loading with the latest software. And also I'm cleaning foam piece because I'm probably just going to keep this. I'm not going to go too crazy with this helmet. But you can see all the dirtiness that came out. So I just put some lukewarm water, a little detergent, and let it sit. Okay, it's updated. Okay, and that's going to be it for today. I still have this speedo healer to do on the Hayabusa. What that does, it corrects the speedometer because from the factory they're not accurate. I also have a rear sprocket to do on the Kawi and the lowering link. Man, do I have a lot of projects. So all you have to do, guys, is just stay tuned. It's been a pleasure again, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Or you'll see me in the next one.